थोड़ा देसी हो, ऐसे नहीं बात करो. मेरे पहले शो में मुझे बहुत करेक्ट किया जाता था. He literally texted me saying, Nix, you've put on so much weight, yeah. You should lose some. Constantly, I used to be told that I'm the fattest contestant and I need to lose and I need to lose.
Hi, this is Jaya and you're watching me on Bollywood Now. आज हमारे बॉडी टॉक के सेगमेंट में है हमारे साथ निकिता दत्ता.
Hi.
Hi Nikita.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. I would like to know बॉडी टॉक के सेगमेंट में आपसे कि कभी आप शेम्ड हुई हैं?
I mean, I come from a Punjabi family, so you know हमारी जो jeans है वो बहुत खाते पीते jeans है. And I remember when I just started off, I was I weighed 64 kilos that time. I was not a thin person. So in Miss India, I had to lose a lot of weight. Unfortunately, तब काफ़ी body shaming हुई मुझे. More than anything, I remember lots of times I used to be told, you know, when like all your contestants are standing in the pageant, there are 20 of us. Constantly, I used to be told that I'm the fattest contestant and I need to lose and I need to lose. I think one of the reasons I got so obsessively involved into fitness was because somewhere in my head, I came out of there thinking I did not win because I was the fattest person over there. And I did some ridiculous diets after that. Like I went off protein, off carbs, off fat. I used to literally live on fruits and vegetables, which was one of the worst things I've done in my life. And I would advise anybody to not do it. But it was a result of so much fat shaming that I went through. Of course, it took me a year to get myself back to normal, where you know I had to get my health back in place, because after that I'd shrunk to another level. I'd become really skinny, and I used to think this is the right way to do it. I didn't know that I'm making such a huge mistake. So unfortunately, that body shaming, the fat shaming that happened to me that time, did have like an adverse effect on me. And what people don't realize, especially as women, we have a lot of things that come into play, our hormones, and you know, like we have a lot of issues like that. Yeah, so it's not easy for us to suddenly say we are going to do this and like suddenly get skinny and change our body. These things you have to really take care of your body, which this is the kind of sense that came into me much later. Thin shaming to nahi hui hai, because I've never been that skinny. Once I kind of got back into it. The third thing you asked me was language shaming. Yeah. Language shaming is not like shaming as such, but I do remember I went to a college, I went to a Catholic college called Xavier's in Bombay, and I've lived in Colaba all my life, majorly. So when I started acting, I had this way of speaking in Hindi, which doesn't sound very Hindi. तो उस वक्त मुझे बहुत बोलते थे कि थोड़ा देसी हो, ऐसे नहीं बात करो. मेरे पहले शो में मुझे बहुत करेक्ट किया जाता था. बट fortunately, I don't think I've been shamed about it. It was more to like improve my craft and get me better at what I do. And I'm really glad that happened. क्योंकि अगर मैं उस चीज़ से नहीं गुजरती तो मेरी हिंदी कभी साफ़ नहीं हो पाती. मैं बोल ही नहीं पाती इतनी साफ हिंदी. And I don't think there's any pride in saying that you can't speak in Hindi. It's a shame. I mean, you should know how to speak in your language. तो तो लैंग्वेज शेमिंग टचवुड आई हैव नॉट रियली फेस्ड.
कभी कभार पता नहीं चलता है कि स्क्रीन के पीछे आपको कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. जैसे कि आप ऑफ कैमरा मुझे बता रही थी कि यू आर रनिंग 7 किलोमीटर्स मैराथन, तो 21 किलोमीटर्स या सो आई लाइक टू नो अबाउट दैट कि इसके पीछे कहीं ना कहीं इतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है.
मेहनत तो बहुत लगती है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि आप कैमरा पे एनीवे यू जनरली टेंड टू लुक लाइक अ साइज स्लाइटली बिगर. सो वी रियली ट्राई हार्ड टू लाइक श्रिंक आवरसेल्व्स एंड कीप आवरसेल्व्स इन शेप. बट आई थिंक with my experience of the last 10 years since I got into fitness, the one thing I've realized is I need to always keep a reality check for myself. क्योंकि पहले मैं ये बहुत करती थी कि फेस्टिवल है तो क्या हो गया, मैं फिर भी चीट नहीं करूँगी. I remember my own sister's wedding, I did not eat a single dessert, not a single sweet. Like I completely was like no that way. But with time I have realized that these are occasions and moments you have to live. That's what we are here for. So I think I have adapted myself in a certain way where like you can be rigid at some times and can be easy going at some times. लेकिन difficulty ये आती है कि हमेशा हम ये सोचते हैं कि today we are at work, आज हम shoot कर रहे हैं, so we are working. But हमारे केस में क्या होता है, even when we are not shooting or when we are not working, this is how I've trained my mind into thinking that you have to constantly be at work. Like I cannot suddenly have pancakes every day in the morning क्योंकि एक हफ्ता शूट नहीं है, नहीं, क्योंकि वो एक हफ्ते के pancakes मुझे फिर 2 महीने झेलने पड़ेंगे. So you have to be a little mindful of that. And I think during COVID, the reason why I kind of was okay and I did not like suddenly gain weight was I used to tell myself, people are working from home, your work from home is to eat a healthy diet and keep working out, because you never know when things will open up and when you have to get back to it. So this is just like a subconscious thing I've taken a note of, कि this is your work. आपको रोज सुबह उठ के हेल्दी रहना है, हेल्दी चीज़ें खानी है, क्योंकि ये आपका काम है.
बट डू यू थिंक निकिता कि अगर इंडस्ट्री में रहना है तो आपको फिगर बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है?
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक इट्स नेसेसरी, एंड आई एम ग्लैड. आई थिंक इन टुडेज सिनेमा द काइंड ऑफ ट्रांजिशन दैट वी हैव सीन, it's not important for you to be a certain shape. It's not. Like, I don't think I fit that classic bikini shape that like people look at. What is that, size 0, size 2? Kya bolte hai? 0 size. Yeah, I don't. But I know for a fact that I'm very fit and I'm very happy with that. As I said, मैंने आपको बताया, I'm running a marathon for 21 kilometers. I'm not doing it because I want to be in shape. I'm doing it because I'm a fit person and I want to be fit. And this is me challenging my body. So that's the peace I have found, and that's the space I have found, that I want to be fit. I want to, when I turn 60 years old, my aim is I don't want to be walking with a stick. 60 नहीं, थोड़ा जल्दी बोल दिया, 70 years old. मेरा है कि मैं आराम से सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ पाऊँ, घूम पाऊँ. मतलब these are the small things that I keep in mind.
कभी कभार क्या होता है ना कि people don't know where to stop.
Yeah.
You know, people don't know, और ये कहीं ना कहीं हमारी भी गलती है. हम भी इसको एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं जब कोई हमें बोल रहा होता है.
Yes.
ना कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है क्या, और हम ये टाल देते हैं.
Yeah.
तो आई जस्ट वांट टू नो आपसे कि कभी जब हम बहुत दिन बाद किसी से मिलते हैं, इन एग्जाम्पल, तो सबसे पहले वो हमसे हाल या ये नहीं पूछते.
They'll comment on your weight.
They will comment, they will be like, यार तो कितनी मोटी हो गई है. You know, in that way. तो I think ये भी लोगों को समझना बहुत जरूरी है.
No, I feel both the ways. अब बहुत पतली हो गई है, इतना weight lose कर लिया है, yeah, you've put on so much weight. And I hate to say it, this will happen when people do that. And not just them. Like, one of my co-actors, 2 months ago, I had put up something on Instagram. I don't want to name the co-actor. He literally texted me saying, Nix, you've put on so much weight, yeah. You should lose some. It's not looking good. And instantly I was just like, you don't get to say that to me. Like, I have put on weight, I know that. I'm going to lose it, I know that. Will I lose it, will I not lose it, that's my issue. You don't get to say that to me. But I'm saying this is me 10 years later talking. If somebody, like back in 2012, if somebody would have told me that when I was in Miss India, I got very affected by it. It took such a toll on my mental health. Like, I completely went off these things and deprived myself of all the joys of life. So, again, these are things which you have to like really eventually become rock solid and not let it affect you. But that's a conscious thing. I have made an effort where I have stopped commenting on people. Even if somebody's lost weight or gained weight, I will never even, like, why? That's personal life, your thing, your deal. And especially, I think with women, like, I hate the fact that somebody's delivered a child, people start commenting, अरे pregnancy के बाद देखो ऐसी हो गई है. And I'm talking about people in front of the camera. I mean, I think it's, you know how, I'm sure you understand this. Like with women, things go up and down. You just have to let it be. I just want to say that you don't want anybody to give you a reality check. You need to be your own reality check. Like this is a thing that I do where I will lose weight if I want to. I will put on weight if I want to. Nobody is going to tell me to do it unless there's a role that requires. Then I don't have a say in it. But so just make sure you have that belief in yourself. And you don't need validation from anybody else.
Thank you so much for joining with us in this episode of Body Talk.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Nikita Datta and you're watching me on Bollywood Now.